Hi everybody, this is a quick video for showing you the features of this SmartCharger. This is universal CCCV charger for batteries from 1S to 12S, from 0 to 15 amps also. First of all, excuse my bad English, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, let's go. Let's powering it on. Okay, here you have a DPS, which is a DC-DC converter that can go till 50 volts and to 15 amps. This is powered by a power supply that can go till 480 watts, but it's limited to 440 watts. For taking into account the efficiency of the system. Here you have a screen that is linked to a MCU, kind of Arduino, and you have here 3 buttons for interacting with it. So you don't play with those buttons or the knob. This is locked, as you can see there, and everything is driven by this guy here. So first of all, let's say it's a new unit, we have to configure the Wi-Fi. So if you press this button, you go into Info tab, and you can see that the SmartCharger is in access point mode, and you have here an address IP. So let's take your laptop or smartphone or iPad, and I don't know, whatever, and just look for the SmartCharger Wi-Fi here. Put smart password. Okay, we are connected to the SmartCharger. So now we have to connect to the IP which is on the screen. Okay. On the left you have the Wi-Fi networks list. My Wi-Fi is the first one, so I just copy and paste the SSID, sorry. My French is coming back. And put obviously the password. I will do a mistake just for showing you how to recover a bad configuration. So I click on save, confirm. The charger is rebooting, which is normal, and we can wait a bit, but okay, the Wi-Fi is inactive because my credentials are bad. So all you have to do is just switch it off. This one takes a bit longer to switch off. As you can see, the voltage is dropping a bit slowly, but anyway, we don't care about this one. Just press left and right button in the same time, hold them, and power the SmartCharger back. And as you could see there, it was telling you that the Wi-Fi was reset. So now we're back on the laptop and we redo the configuration procedure. Okay, so now it seems that it worked. Okay, no, okay, it's okay. Wi-Fi is active, and we have a new address, IP address. Sorry. So we just put this IP address in our browser. Here we are. This is a SmartCharger web app. So we have the charger state, output voltage, and output current. Actually, it's not charging, obviously, and we can also perform firmware updates over the air by Wi-Fi. This is pretty convenient because you don't need any USB cable or any software like Arduino IDE or something. So this is pretty convenient for updating the SmartCharger. Maybe in the future I will even add automatic updates through internet, but yeah, lots of things to do. Okay, now we back to our charger, and for sure we will charge a battery with it. So we're back to the standby menu. First we need to set some parameters, so we go into the settings menu and we will change maybe lower a bit the full voltage. This is a storage voltage per cell, and the buzzer if you want to activate or disable it. Okay, we come back here to the standby menu. I will lower a bit the current, let's say 5 amp, it's okay. I can choose either to go in storage mode or full mode. Here I go into full and then I long press on set. It asks me if I'm sure. Yes, I am. Okay, now I connect my battery. Yes, and now we can see that the current is increasing slowly because there is a ramp. And as we can see there, the capacity is increasing as well. So this is the capacity loaded into the battery, the time, and here we have the instant value like voltage, current, and power. If we go on the web app, just refresh the page. Here we are okay. We are charging to that voltage, that current. We can switch it off by pressing this button, and obviously we can't perform any firmware updates while charging because you don't want to mess with the charge with the firmware update. Okay, so if you want to refresh the value, just refresh the page. Maybe I will add auto refresh later. Okay, so if you want to end your charge, just press the center button, and we are back to the standby menu. Now I just want to show you a couple of faults because there are some safety features coded into that charger to avoid doing bad things. First of all, this is pretty simple. In case of you forgot to plug your connector there, or you have some wire break or something, it will detect that the battery is not connected anymore. So if I disconnect it, go back to the charge, I don't connect my battery, so no current is flowing. So yeah, no pack detected. Okay. In case that maybe if you if you want to cheat the charger because you can't go above the power limit. The power and 12S with the settings of 4.10 watt per cell. That means that 9 amp is the limit for the power. Okay, I can check the charger if I set 6S. Now I can go to the limit of 15. Okay, and if I'm back on the S settings, Okay. It looks like I cheated the charger. Okay, now let's try to charge my battery with these settings. Those settings mean I will charge my battery to something like, I don't know, like 500 watts or something. Sorry, I didn't calculate it, but anyway, I will blow my power supply up, so I don't want to charge my battery to these settings, but anyway, let's try it. Okay, this is protection. Okay, so there are lots of safety like this coded into the charger, but anyway, avoid to connect a battery with the different S settings, because I don't know if there is some kind of current flowing back to the TPS that may blow, so avoid to enter bad settings for sure. Okay, there is kind of Easter egg if you want to take this guy manually, if you want to operate manually on this guy. Just press left and right button in the same time once, and now we are in manual mode. As you can see there, the lock is open, so now you can operate on the DPS itself. Okay, and if you want to come back, just lock it back, and now you're back using this guy. I think it's everything about this smart charger. Thanks for watching, and please send me your questions and so on. Bye.